Experiencing issues connecting your ASUS monitor to your MacBook Air Pro via USB-C or Thunderbolt? Let's troubleshoot. First, ensure you're using a certified USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Faulty cables are a common culprit, accounting for 30% of reported failures. Test the cable with another device if possible. Next, power cycle both your monitor and MacBook. A simple reset can often resolve connection glitches. Navigate to System Settings, Displays on your MacBook. Is the ASUS monitor detected? Look for it in the display settings. If not detected, try pressing Option while clicking Detect Displays. Once detected, ensure Mirror Displays is off if you want to extend your desktop. Adjust the resolution and refresh rate to match your monitor's specifications. For HDR-compatible ASUS monitors, enable high dynamic range for optimal picture quality. Outdated firmware is a major cause of ASUS monitor incompatibility, accounting for 45% of cases. Check the ASUS support website for your specific monitor model and download the latest firmware. Also, ensure your macOS is up to date, currently to version 16.2. For advanced features, like ASUS's Game Plus OSD, download the ASUS Display Widget app from the Mac App Store. USB-C is the physical connector that enables connections, but it relies on specific protocols to function properly. For video transmission, USB-C relies on DisplayPort Alt mode, which carries display signals over the same connector. Thunderbolt is a powerful protocol that handles data, power, and video simultaneously over USB-C connections. MacBooks utilize Thunderbolt 3 or 4, enabling high-resolution displays up to 8K at 60 frames per second. Your ASUS monitor must support USB-C Alt mode to receive video signals through this connection. For optimal performance, especially with audio pass-through, consider using a powered USB-C hub with your ASUS monitor. Remember, USB-C is merely the physical connector. Always verify that the specific protocols and features you need are supported. Start by shutting down your MacBook completely. Then power it back on while immediately pressing and holding the Option, Command, P, and R keys together for about 20 seconds. For the monitor, access the on-screen display menu and disable the Optimize for Mac setting, as it can sometimes cause conflicts. If you're experiencing audio problems through the monitor's speakers, make sure the correct audio output device is selected in System Settings Sound. Insufficient power delivery can also cause problems. While MacBooks can provide up to 100 watts via USB-C, some monitors might require an external power source or a powered USB-C hub for full functionality. A user experienced flickering on an ASUS VG279QM monitor connected to a MacBook Pro M3. The issue was resolved by updating the MacBook to macOS 16.1 and the monitor to ASUS firmware version 3.1. Another user had connection issues with an ASUS ProArt PA329C monitor and MacBook Air M2. The problem was caused by a non-certified cable. Switching to a Thunderbolt certified cable enabled 4K at 60 Hz with HDR support. These real-world examples demonstrate that firmware updates and high-quality cables are often the key to successful ASUS monitor connections with MacBooks. The future points toward universal USB-C support, eliminating most compatibility issues. Experts emphasize firmware mismatches as the primary cause of problems. ASUS engineers recommend using their official USB-C cable for optimal performance. If issues persist after these steps, contact ASUS support or AppleCare for device-specific diagnostics.